Today we will learn simple Brazilian embroidery, and this is the pattern and how to dress this. This is a embroidery dressing paper, and this one is different from carbon paper because carbon paper can leave stains on fabric, and this is really good one. You can easily wash it out. First you need to put this dressing paper on the fabric, then keep your design like this and start pressing with pencil or pen, and this design will directly transfer to the fabric. For this pattern you can just pause the video and take the snapshot or take out the printout. Let's begin. You may notice that this thread is shiny because I have used crochet thread for this type of embroidery. If you don't have this type of thread and you are beginner, then you can always use cotton thread for Brazilian embroidery because it is difficult to handle silk thread. This is a stem stitch, and this is a bullion stitch, and this is fly stitch, and in the center I will make French knot with yellow color thread. If you don't know how to make stem stitch, you can refer my previous video, stem stitch and its variation. Like this. Now we will learn bullion stitch flower. And for this flower we are using bullion lazy daisy stitch. If you don't know how to make it, you can refer my video, bullion stitch and its variation. This is lazy daisy made with bullion stitch. I'm going to wrap around the needle 25 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Now you have to stabilize your Brazilian lazy daisy stitch with straight stitch. If you think this is lifting from another side, you can stabilize from another side also with straight stitch. Like this. With same technique you have to complete a whole flower. Now we'll make fly stitch leaf. Here I have used 2 strands of the crochet thread. You have to separate this thread. You will start separating 2 strand and 3 strand. You can see the 3 strands. Just divide them like that, like one single strand at another side, and it will come on other side like this. Just start dividing like that, and after dividing you need to just pull it to make it little bit straight, and use these 2 strands and leave the single strand. Start from the top of the leaf and make one long straight stitch. Then come from another side. Turn your work and take out your needle from this side like this. You have completed first fly stitch, then go inside and again come from another side. You have stabilized this and you got this side like this. Go on the same side. Take out your needle like that. Like this. Using same technique, complete this leaf